Welcome to the Reverie Nightstand Comfort Settings tutorial. In this video, you'll learn what a comfort setting is and how to create one. Some features may vary by model. A comfort setting is a custom position you set by adjusting the head and foot of the base as well as any extras, tilt, head tilt, or lumbar, right where you want it. The position may then be paired with your favorite massage setting to form a comfort setting. One tap to relaxation. To create a comfort setting, tap the menu icon in the top left corner and select the presets icon from the menu to open the preset screen. All comfort settings, routines, and preset positions are stored here. Tap the plus symbol to create a new preset. Select Comfort Setting. This will open the position screen. We'll set the head position of the base first. Hold down on the selector and slide it around to the desired position and release to set. Be sure to allow the bed to complete the position change before adjusting the foot of the bed. Tap the foot button to adjust the foot position, and then, using the slider, move the foot of the bed to the desired position. Now that the position is set, tap Next to continue to the massage screen. Here, you can choose to add head and/or foot massage, a wave mode, and set a timer. Slide the selector to set the intensity for the head section, then slide the selector to select the intensity of the foot section. Tap the 30 button to set a duration of 30 minutes. Just tap Next to save the comfort setting. You can even name your comfort settings, and tap Save to complete the comfort setting. You can now select your comfort setting here on the preset screen, or add it to the dashboard for quick access. For further assistance, contact us or check out the full list of tutorials under the Help section under Settings.